Namaste, dear yoga seeker. My name is Rahul, and let's do today Yin Yoga. Let's make a connection to your body and mind together. We believe that Yin Yoga is a bridge between your body and mind. See you on the mat.
Now bring the both palms into the chest and we're gonna chant 3 Om inside. Bow down your head towards your fingertips. Say thanks to the yogis. Now simply lay down on your back. Raise your both arms over the air and stretch your body. Exhale, bring your both arms forward. Inhale up, stretch your body, toes pointing. Exhale, arm forward. Again, stretch up, again, stretch your body one more time. And exhale, bring the palms down. Bend your left knee, right ankle over the left knee. And lifting the left knee up, bring the both palm underneath your thighs and bring the left knee close to the chest. But remember, with the right knee, you're pushing your right knee away from the body towards the ceiling. You can bring the both palm over your left knee and interlock there. Remember, we are bringing the left knee close to the chest, and with the right elbow, we're pushing the right knee towards the ceiling. It will give you a deep stretch on your hips. Stay there and meditate. You can close your eyes and visualize your hip now. Visualize your thigh muscles and feel a deep stretch. And now change the leg. Same thing, bring the both palm underneath your thighs. Pushing the left knee towards the ceiling. You can bring the both arm over the right knee and interlock there. But this time remember, you pushing your right knee close to the chest. At the same time, you pushing the left knee against the body. Going deep in your Yin Yoga practice. Going deeper and deeper. Say yourself, I'm going deep. I'm going deep. And I'm going deep. And now, gently bring the both leg down. Now hug your knees and move your body right to left, left to right. Slowly up and down and up and down. And from here, go for the badhkona asana. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, fall forward. Go as much as you can. Drop the elbow. You can bring the both arms in and rest your head on your arms, or you can make a feast. Go according to your flexibility. Remember, try to aware and bring awareness towards your hip joints and towards your knees. Feel that with every exhalation, your knees going down, your knees going down, and your hip going to be more open, wider. Your hip opening with every exhalation. Go deep with every exhalation. There should be no stress, no thoughts from the past, present, and future. Aware only about your breath. You know very well where you have to be aware now. Slowly, slowly come up. Bring the knees together and bring the knee down. Knees together, down. Very good. Now come front, bend your right leg and left leg out. Inhale, raise your both arms up and exhale, fall forward. Go as much as you can. No need to push yourself too much in this position. Try to stay here. Feel the stretch. If possible, pressing the heavy palm and pushing the hip back on the mat. Your both sitting bone resting completely on the floor. We need to change leg here now. Left leg in, bend it, and right leg out more to the right side. Inhale, raise your both arms up and exhale, fall forward. Go as much as you can. Don't push yourself too much, remember. And relax here. Walk as much as you can, but there should be no overstretch. Just active your right leg. Stay there for a few more minutes. When you active your right leg, you can easily feel the stretch on your back of the leg, your back of the knee. Feel the stretch. If possible, pressing the heavy palm and pushing the hip back on the mat. Your both sitting bone resting completely on the floor, so you can feel the stretch deeper and deeper. Slowly, slowly come up. Now we're gonna open the both leg. Pressing the palm front and try to push the pelvic a little bit forward and then back, forward and back. Keep your both leg active. heavy palm. Walk as much as you can, wherever you feel comfortable, and wherever you feel enough, just stay there, hold there. You can drop the elbow and you can lift the palm up and place your chin over the palm and stay there. You can look forward and you can close your eyes. You can choose whatever you like. Remember, you are pushing yourself forward, your pelvic forward, not pushing. Just the feel that your pelvic is forward, not backward. Stay there. Stay there. Feel the stretch deep and deep and deep. Feeling the stretch deeper and deeper. Slowly, slowly come up. Both palm behind the back and bringing the leg together. Straight leg. Don't bend your knees there, otherwise you can easily hurt yourself. Both palm front of the chest. We're gonna chant Hari Om and 3 times Shanti inside the heart. Bow down your head towards your fingertips or you fully forward bend. Say thanks to the Mother Earth, yourself, and your body. Gently open your eyes. Have a good day. Namaste.